Hey guys, it's Amy with Thing to Plan, and I am back with yet another Stickerbook flip through. So you can see here that I have Happy Plans. This is one of the sticker books that is being released as part of the Happy Planner Spring 2021 release. And so I was able to pick this one up at Michael's. It did release a little bit earlier, I think, than it was meant to be. I'm not sure what the scheduled release date was, is for these books, but Michael's had it all set up and out on the floor, and so I ended up purchasing it. If you're looking for this, I will link the SKU and a link directly to the sticker book from the Michael's website. I'm not sure where else it's going to be released, but certainly it's at Michael's because that's where I found mine. So if you are looking for this one, just be patient. You'll be able to find it eventually, I think. I don't think it's limited in the production run, so you should be able to find it. Okay. So this is Happy Plans. It has 1,360 pieces, and you can see here it's just Happy Plans. And we're gonna flip through it so we can take a look. These stickers with the spring release are just so pretty. The colors are so pretty. This one reminds me a lot of like some of the wellness colors, especially with like wellness wear. So that this kind of goes really well with that. This one has gold foiling on it, as you can see here. Just nice decorative boxes. All right, these are so pretty as well. Look at that, like the best of days, do what makes you happy. This is really cute. Like so far, I mean, it has some wellness vibes, but it's also non-wellness related kind of quotes. Be kind, you can. Love this, happy day, spread joy. These are big quotes. All right, here are some functional boxes, kind of like checklist type boxes. And this one has gold foiling, and then this one's the same without the foiling. Right, again, some more functional boxes. This is really nice. Like, just nice and useful functional stickers. I really love that. All right, look at these colorful boxes. All right, if you can see it like right here, there's like kind of a polka dot pattern right there in some of the larger boxes, in these big boxes. These are so pretty. I love that. Okay. This is also like really, really pretty. I love the colors for spring 2021. What the Happy Planner did is just beautiful. I like this little pattern. That's really cute. You can still write right over it. It's meant to be like kind of translucent, but that's really cute. Right here they have, again, like the polka dots, but it has gold foiling in it. I don't know if you can tell, but there's gold foiling in that. And then of course, like just some circles with gold foiling. And then here it is again without foiling. Right, again, without foiling. Right, these are clear, on clear sticker paper. So ready for the day, make today great. Make today a great day. Keep life fun, love what you do. New day, same goal. Take time to relax. Those are good. And this is like a half circle, so you can kind of like put it right on the border of like a vertical box and have it kind of like be this layered look without doing the layering yourself. So that's really cool. Right, so these are different quotes, but without the foiling, so you can read these a little bit easier. All right, this one has like gold foiling as an outline. Very cute. All right, these say to do, and then these washi strips have small quotes in them. Priority, remember. Again, the colors here are so pretty. Errands, coffee date. I would love to go on a coffee date. It's been a while, right? These are these long sidebar the strips that you can put on the sidebar to just take lots of notes on that side. And this one has dot grid. Again, these colors are so pretty. Right, look at that. That's so pretty. Right, these are washi strips. It has the gold foiling kind of like polka dot pattern on it, and it's on clear paper. And then this one is on white paper. And these, again, like I think it's a little bit hard to read the gold foiling, but it says read, walk, nap, love. There's a bunch of like kind of wellness oriented things on that. It's a little bit easier to read on here. And again, like on the previous page, I had gold foiling like these polka dots, but here you can see it a lot easier. Right, these are circles. I'm sure you can see it, like hopefully you can see that, but these are circles, like just to make bullets. And then circles again, page number 2. Right, and that's it. This is like a super functional book. There's some like decorative elements to it, but it's really meant to be like a functional kind of sticker book so that way you can make happy plans. I guess that's what the name is coming from. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope you are looking forward to the entire spring 2021 release, just like I am. And I hope you can find all the things that you want to be able to find. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, hit like on this video, and stay tuned for the rest of my videos. Until then, bye guys.